guys, welcome to Wicked Wednesday this week. This year we thought we would take our manufacturing to the next level by getting a CNC machine. So sit back and enjoy the process we went through to get there.
She spins where the old tech ends. Wicked Wheelchairs got a new machine. Metal Queen Elaine Main, CNC machine, making parts pristine. No more old ways through these new days. Precision, steel heart thumping, new queen humming, Nighthawk eyes gleam, a manufacturing dream. She cuts, she spins where the old steel heart thumping, new queen humming, Nighthawk eyes gleam, a manufacturing dream. She cuts, she spins where the old tech ends. Wicked Wheelchairs got a new machine. Metal Queen Elaine Main, CNC machine, making parts pristine. No more old ways through these new days. Precision. Yeah.